Alright guys, so we basically finished this area here. So we want to attack this side. This side we attacking now. So this is the attic we into. This is the attic. So we have these wood that we can stand up on, that we can be able to walk on, which is very important because you know your safety matters. So we have wood to stand up on. Alright, so now what we're doing, we're cutting out patches of the ceiling and then we're beating it from the top. Okay? So I'm going to show you what I'm doing basically. Alright. So basically, what I'm doing, I'm cutting these from underneath. Alright, so by we cutting out patches, I'm going to show you a little how easier it make it. Alright, give me a minute. So now we have a heavy hammer, which we're going to call this a sledgehammer. So when we cut, it becomes easier for us. So what we do, we come and we do it like this. You see, it become all right. So this is what's going on. So now we're taking off the other end. So this is how we're doing it, and we're trying to get rid of this whole, all these wood by the end of the day, and taking off some of these. These are good solid wood, so I don't want to throw them away. I think we can save them and maybe for another project. All right? Okay, so, all right.